Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's prediction for upcoming Mahzooz draw 20 August 22. Previous result 27 21 36 43. Here on 1 to 10 or 10 to 20 no number. This one passed. And here also passed. 21 3 times repeated. Here also 21 and 21. Today's prediction, the important number is 14, 25, 46, 17, 26, 40, 36, 44, 19, 12, 33, 20, 47, 5, 42, 31 and 45. This is important number of this draw. Here on chart have this chart help you to choose number this draw. For example, this draw 10, 20, 30, 40. One number will come more chance. 30 or 40. This is very important number. If you want select like horizontal type or vertical type. For example, you want select 15, 25, 35 like this, or 24, 34, 44 like this, or 28, 38 like this, and another one 22, 24, 25 like this, or 15, 16, 17, 44, 45, 46 horizontal type and vertical type. This draw more chance to come like that. If you want select 29, 39 like this, or another one chance, for example, first number 15, the another number 35 or 45, 15, 35 or 45. The another one example 19, 39, 19, 49 like this. These three chances for this draw. Select like that number and also select 10, 20, 30, 40. One number, maybe 30 or 40 more chance. This draw maybe 1 to 10 no number. Seventeen, 44, 19, 26, 46, 40. This is important number more chance to will come this draw. Thanks for watching. Good luck all of you.